Morning, Steve Freddie in Chicago. Well, it's Friday and it's actually a little warmer here today than what we've seen of late. Cooler temperatures return over the weekend. Next week should be mostly clear with temperatures a little bit below normal. We have one more big rain event slash snow event next weekend that moves across the Midwest. U.S. pattern remains the same with high pressure in the southwest and lows kind of drift over the top and then head deep into the eastern U.S. So that keeps southern plains dry and the eastern Midwest wet. That pattern is expected to continue. Hopefully, as we get closer to the end of the March and get into April, we can see warmer temperatures and better weather for the southern plains and better planting weather for the U.S. corn crop. As far as yesterday was concerned, we had a kind of a break in the trend. We saw higher beans, lower corn and wheat markets. In the beans, there were some rumors floating around that Europe had come in and bought meal. Our export commitment continues in the beans to be higher than USDA's export outlook. And there was some talk of some breakdown in some of the export pace in Argentina, and that may have offered some support to the bean market. In corn and wheat, we saw maybe some profit taken from an overbought situation and hopes that the spring weather improves and also hopes that this Ukraine situation can resolve itself. As far as overnight is concerned, beans a little bit lower, wheat a little bit higher, and corn's about unchanged. Outside markets are nervous. We've got the Crimea vote over the weekend, the yes vote, and that's all there is. That might diffuse some of the concerns, especially in the equity markets. But if Russia wants more of Ukraine, then we could see somewhat of a volatile reaction in all of the markets. As far as getting closer to the USDA March 31 report, the market's still looking for lower corn acres, higher bean acres from farmers in 2014. And like last year, looking for maybe a potential bullish bean and bearish corn stocks report. And as we build into that, not only will we have the reaction to their numbers, but we'll have a 30-day outlook for U.S. weather for the month of April. And it could be key to wheat and definitely key to how soon we plant this U.S. corn crop. Other than that, I think everybody's looking forward to the weekend, and it should be a very interesting open Monday morning based on what goes on in Ukraine. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.